Turn me on, YC.
Mopar madness. I just hit 100,000 miles. You know what I'm saying? A lot of cars don't see 100,000 miles, man. So it's a real big thing. I really been upkeeping this car. I had this car. It'll be 2 years, January 31st, 2021. But man, will I recommend a Dodge Avenger? I highly wouldn't recommend one. The reliability, 3 out of 5, not that good. I really spent so much money upkeeping this car. It's crazy. I have to get new struts for the front end, driver and passenger side struts. $1,000 with that. That's including labor at Dodge dealership. I had to get a new water pump for this car. I had to get a new head gasket. I had to get a new oil assembly housing. Had to get a new thermostat. That's cheap, but you see where I'm going with this? I had to get a new engine belt. I had to get a new pulley. That cost me $3,000. Would I recommend a Dodge Avenger? Don't buy one. Do not buy a Dodge Avenger. They are not good cars. Reliable, somewhat reliable. I drove the Tennessee to Louisiana 4 times without a breakdown. That's a 9-hour drive. But overall, I would not recommend a Dodge Avenger. I put more in this car than what it's worth. You know, I got a 2-year warranty on all the parts that I got replaced. But other than that, overall, it has been okay to me. But I would not recommend an Avenger. Don't buy one. You buy a Dodge, get a newer Charger. You know, don't buy a Dodge Avenger. But if you found this video helpful, please leave a subscribe. Thanks for watching. You know what I'm saying? But I would not recommend you to buy a Dodge Avenger if it's for your first car. This is my first car. It won't be perfect, but man, the parts are so high to say this car is so cheap. Like, this car will be paid off next year. You probably could buy Avengers for like $5,000, $7,000, but the parts cost just as much as the car. Don't buy one, y'all. Y'all see Papa Smurf right there? Y'all leave a sub, man. Show some love. All right, y'all. Your boy Military Mopar Madness is out.